no be na for police inside Douala here today just for corner tori house here. Therefore kill some thief man sote burn am. Na wetin dis thief man e be try for do, we go talk for na inside tori for dis afternoon. We be talk for na say person for waka for Douala or comot for Boyam, e reach for Kumba, e don turn na different thing. How waka for that side so for Boya so e reach for Kumba e dey. This afternoon we go talk on a tori for Aswe Waka dey and the kind of thing dem wey people dey see am for roads Aswe dey waka am when they comot for that side so for Kumba for go for Boya or for Boya for take and go for that side so for Kumba. Sabi say plenty newspaper dem sef dey be announced today say e dey so country Sunday dem for inside northwest southwest e get for stop today so tey December moon e finish. True e happen, we go answer that question when we go take una go for that side so for Limbe for see as wey people dey wake up this time for inside day wey they don't ever sit down for house for do their work. All the tori dem so plus newspaper dem we go bring am inside tori for this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say Bob wey e don die e no dey fear current. Say Bob wey e don die e no dey fear current. Reverend Bay Christian for Limbe side na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Plenty salute for outside the country people dem. We glad for meet up una again for number 2 time inside Equinox Story House. Chapter 1 for this afternoon, we go take una go na place where they just call am, na just for we call na house here, na for inside Bonakwa 1 year sep where this palava happen. As so una dey see am, plenty people dem dey be dey dem, na so too traffic e worry after wey they catch some thief boy. Tori wey enter we ear, e dey tell we say wetin. This thief man, e be one thief some person for that side so for market for Sandanga. E don take kola sote e cut person in hand. Na for there wey people dey start follow the thief boy. Follow the thief boy sote na for inside Akwaye sese wey dey pick that thief boy as well dey talk so. As wey dey pick the thief boy na so too population e can't turn up for look wetin wey dey happen. For petrol station, na wey dey be one boil bondi boy but last police people dem and gendarme na dem sef dey come sotey dem can carry the boy put am for inside motor. As so you dey see wey population e dey follow that boy na so too people dey be wan knack that boy sotey dey kill am. Police dey hold am, even one sef wey dey na for inside normal clothes dey hold am sotey dey carry that boy go put am for front motor. Na so too other people dem too enter for back boot for say wetin make dey see as wey dey go carry this boy wey e thief dey carry am go for police place. But as we are talk tori wey enter for we ear e try for talk for we say the boy e be one thief na some person. Policeman wey na dey see face o na him wey e take all blow dem wey that boy be get for take am only for sika say e dey hold the boy. Na the boy bags inside motor sef wey e dey so police people dem dey don can help after wey dem knack key. I say dem knack so take time e no dey. Dem be one even carry na fuel as wey e run enter na for petrol station for burn am before police people dem sef dey come. So e just now that young man e dey na for police place as wey we dey talk for this side. We left that tori for thief man for inside Akwaye this early morning time. We take una go for this accident wey happen for place wey dey call am say Alum Ashanti con people dem. Accident sef e surprise plenty people that way they don wake up for early morning time for do their normal work. Only for them for see as wey some gongoro e don jam enter for inside some person in house. Oh man, e dey surprise how wey this ngongoro e manage sote e enter for inside person in house. Police sef e come for them for come make investigate, but sabi say as wey dem ngongoro sef e jam enter for them. They try for tell we say woman for the house na him wey e hear back. For sika say head from gongoro as wey e jam that block e fall on top mami face. So mami sef for house they carry am go for hospital. Then motorboy too they carry to go hospital. But wetin be really pass wey motor e craze sote e go enter for inside person in house. Driver sef e try for talk say e dey so e be the talk a time wey accident happen e no be sabi say speed breaks e be there for it before. Now for them way one time as so e be there for speed, na so too e take style enter na for different man house, e jam the house, block for house, e fall for mami face. Na so two people dey comot, they can't carry that mami, carry go for hospital. Motorboy say for inside that gongoro, they carry and go for hospital. Police people dem say they come for can't do the normal work wey they get for do am, wey na for check the car until wey be pass. Na so two driver say they be one carry go for hospital, but wetin happen? One time driver e deny say e no dey go hospital, e go turn up for day. So na motor that way enter so for inside people their house, as so na the see and so no person e no die, but plenty people dey dey fear for sika say wey block e knack mami for house e face before they carry and go hospital. Na the one that way e fear e make plenty people necessary for fear. Na driver this wey dey holy so wey e dey cross road wey e deny for go hospital, and all the one na for sika say e be the talk. Na why that way e make accident so enter for person in house. We go take una enter for Douala here special for quarter wey they call am say Bilonge. Yes, Bilonge e dey na for under Douala 3. Dirty for dey na come and see. I say dirty for Bilonge na come and see. Adata e dey enter for people their house chop. Mosquito e dey enter e bite people dem so tey sick e give them. So all that one na for sika di dirty for this side, dirty for that side. E don make am now so e make am so tey even mayor for Douala 3 wey they call am say job to fill Kwangnang sanitation site too for that people dem all dem they comot so tey they come for council wey dey pass, and sabi say di dirty plenty of dem mami dem for inside Bilonge. They say they don't cry. Polo e dey form jengu before motor one pass, they must to jake rope for up for quarter for Bilonge. Light sesep na big trouble inside place wey they call am say Bilonge for sika say wetin all pole dem they don't form jengu. Light e no dey, dirty sesep e dey make a mosquito dey chop people dem. Na so too arata e dey enter for people their house. We left that palava now, so we open our page for Waka for Kumba. Sabi say Kumba since Thursday e don be na try and see. Na e mean say if you dey for Boya, you go wait so tey some motor come, you ask and say road e clear. Na for senior divisional officer office that for Kumba. Na for day wey people that wey dey no be fit for travel for Saturday night, they can't sleep. Yes, after we road e block for Ekona, SDO Ntundon Chamberlain e can't give the people the house na for e office. Woman dem dey sleep na for e conference room, as well na dey see that table so na SDO a conference room that where woman dem wey dey no be fit for travel for sika say road e be block for place wey they call am say Ekona, they can enter for sika gun wey e be the hala for day. So SDO say e can't leave that woman dem for inside e own conference room, say na for there they go sleep on top mattress wey dey so na normal na one way they get for game. Man pikin dem they be sleep na for down, woman dem dey sleep na for that side for conference room and na for up-story building. So na for tell una say e dey so suffer e dey plenty for people dem wey dey wan waka go for Kumba, or one way dey comot for Kumba dey come for Boya. E dey na one way you get for prayer quick. That one na one way dey no be fit for cross for sika palava wey dey happen for that side. Now we enter for inside park sese for that side so for Kumba. We see as wey people dey comot, motor dem dey park. I say motor dem dey park. Na so people dem sese dey be dey parka for inside park for Kumba. One day wey dey never fit forget motor. Wey for sika wetin for sika say road people dey dey fear for travel now. Some driver dem sese dey dey fear for waka. Na cargo dem that. Wey e dey so people dem dey wait say they get for can carry am for inside motor. Mattress o, fan o, people dem dey carry for Kumba comot for outside. Whether na for sika wetin no ask ambassador. Na the thing this way we say we see with our eye, as well we land for that side for Kumba. Na so people dey be there for park for do wetin. All dem dey the one go waka. But wey dey after all motor dey park, they must to so turn up. Yes, motor no fit waka e cross for Ekona. E no fit waka e cross for Moyoka. All that place dem so na place for hard cut. E mean say your hard job dey make for inside gib. Na motor dem that way they don park. but they no even fit for do wetin waka for sika say wetin for sika say they dey wait say make near themselves na dem can be for front na first motor that way waka go wey e talk say e go so na near dem that as well na the scene na so when people dey waka near themselves they dey for before then all motor dey now dey follow na for line yes all motor dey follow for line when you reach from my 17 for Boya that time you talk say yes I don do am yes na my 17 park that for Boya when you don reach for there you talk say yes I don do am and na like 20 motor dem or even 200 motor dem dey enter my 17 motor park one time wey dey comot for Kumba na so for that wey people dey hear am as so e dey so you get for waka for that side so for Kumba so tey you reach place wey dey call am say Boya now inside that tori we be meet up some boy too wey dey so im mami e be get bullet e be touch im mami as so e be the waka from Yawende for go for that side for Kumba. Make we hear wetin we talk then we enter back for wetin wey people dey see am as well dey waka for corner road from Kumba so tey reach for Boya.
It be on Friday morning. Mommy tell me say this already come on they come Moyoka. So it won't be around that kind 9 o'clock. They start shoot for a corner. So I the struck will call a number not the pass. Struck will call a number so they until 4 o'clock we I say my try am again. It tell me say don't reach for a corner, they don't shoot him. So it just on for road for Kumba, for go hospital. So now for them to enter moto, I follow you. I can't reach for Kumba, access na for rush hospital. They say for that hospital for bank market. If I'm on, I want to reach for dinner. They for theater. They stitch a hand. I want to see and the doctor tell me say no. So when the commoner I see he hit, they don't kobo he hit. I see small bullet, they don't touch a hit. Therefore, a hand to now, they don't stitch a hand, they tie them. So, I asked doctor, say, how they do? Doctor say, no, go sleep. And for morning time, we go look the hand again. So, when before morning time, the doctor come, he tell we say, we go now for General Hospital for Kumba. Me they check the hand for SJ, they look how the hand is before we go. So, go now for SJ now, General Hospital, they look the hand. They snap them, they say catch you see inside the hand. We come back, me doctor move the catch. We come back for doctor now. Doctor they tell we say no, go back for General Hospital for Limbe. And for day we a colleague go move the catch for his hand. So he no fit do am. Only for Limbe or fit go. Come up for do one can reach for Boya Park again. No one motor no they go. Passenger they floor for down. They say more wait till they don't block road for Moyoka.
Yes, so now one of the person that way Mami says be here but for Sika say the waka from Yawende go for that side so for Kumba so don't talk road for Boya so te Kumba it don't turn na one way people then say they fear but now waiting there for the road we say also enter for the road we be try for thief some small image na banana place that where they so banana self they don't left banana inside bush so they know the look out banana them some banana they say they don't throw it for ground for Sika say waiting people then say they fear for enter for inside banana farm bullet and say na way you see and so you flop for house them for corner road them as so you the waka you know the see no one person say for corner road as so you the waka from Kumba now only the kind of thing them you the meet up and plenty motor them where they don't burn am where all them say the dinner for corner road for inside place for Kumba Boya highway na only the kind of motor them where they don't burn am keep am where the see and so like the one so pass on top where they don't finish burn am so for that side so for inside Moyoka this other one too na so house where they be there for corner road they be so hot na baddies where fire SSF enter for that side bar you know the waka again so for corner road as so the waka for see all the palabra church says we be get for open way na Sunday na church that church e no open for Sika Fiem where it dey happen for that side so for Balangi plenty of the house and for corner roads no one person e no dey for inside one day wey they never burn am fine one day wey e dey too wey bullet don pass on top their skin so na all the thing that way the waka when you the waka for road you know the fit for see even one person I say one person for road mami say wey be enter for motor na the mami that wey e be get for go operate a hand wey bullet e enter for that side all for sake of this palava wey dey happen for northwest and southwest. And just now prayer for all man na for say make peace e last calm so that people themselves dey fit for enjoy. Mami get for go make operation for a hand again as we bullet is also dey for inside. We go take una now so enter for Limbe after we plenty paper dey announce say country Sunday no go dey again. We enter for Limbe for this sun time. Business for Limbe e be quiet. Na e mean say no business man e no open the place. Na only some Okada people dey wey dey tie heart gather courage enter for road. Church street for Limbe as one at the CM. All place e quiet as well be the waka on top Okada. As well I talk for now only small Okada people dey wey dey chop fire. They talk say make they see whether thing dey go waka fine. And they say they take style do just small mono. But normal business people they say they no open their business place for sika say they don't sabi say all Monday them inside northwest e don be na Monday that we work e no go dey. Sabi say Congo sabi don dey pass say e dey so these people them e dey so all Monday then just now for December moon e go be na Monday that way country Sunday no go happen again. But as well people dem be don already sabi say all Monday them e dey na day that country Sunday. Limbe today no business place e no open. Taxi dem say they no even work. Na only Okada people dem say they tie heart they turn for inside town. As well you see all business people them no one e no dey open for that side. So for Limbe even as well they don't talk say country Sunday e no go dey again inside December moon. But for Limbe no be nothing that way we see this morning time. Inside Miselele na village say we dey for under Tiko. Na for talk say wetin people dem for Miselele for that side. So for Tiko just now they don't get water. They no be get water. But before we talk a palava water, sabi say school for Miselele na grass e don full up for the whole school. Na Miselele village at e dey under Tiko subdivision. You understand? Na school this for tell we say e dey like say pikin dem no dey the school na grass e don full up for outside. Na e mean say they fit catch ground beef inside the grass. Inside grass. Hey, for this side you even see goat dey. Then people dey suffer plenty for water for inside Miselele. Water no dey before pikin dey go carry water. Na for this place so as one na the say wey pikin don jump enter. Na for the way e dey go carry water for inside that small water wey dey comot. You see no? People dey come for there for early morning time for can carry water, and before they wan reach for carry water na so their food they don hot. See how they dey carry water. You dey see no? Na water that wey people dey drink inside Cameroon. Small time they go talk say the water clean. I no go argue for sake say me I never drink the water. But the people they dey walk up long distance, walk as so their foot hot before they carry water, then drag am again on top different hidden. Now for sika why that way even people them for inside Miselele just now their own development association they don't join hands so they comot water for the first time. People them for Miselele they go drink better water, and the water comot for Usa for tap. First tap where they put am for inside Miselele town. Na in that. Na the first tap that they put am. So all man e glad as well they don't get first water. And no be na ngom na. Na people themselves for inside Miselele they don't join hand. So they waiting. They contribute money so they last. Their pikin they no go suffer again plenty for go carry water. Make we hear wetin wey big man say for that side e talk for Davidson Maimo a microphone. We go see whether we fit meet up with that chief wey e talk palava this blessing for chief for inside palava for water. First tap public tap wey dey enter for Miselele for that side so for Tiko subdivision. We go continue for inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una go for place where they call am say Ngaundere for talk say inside this palava so calling people them. Now people them for veterinary medicine. It means say that people there they go call them after veterinary doctor. Now then say as we big man secretary general for inside ministry for higher education Professor Gapsa be the enter from Ngaundere University. Picking them for inside veterinary medicine site. Now they say they be the vex. They say they don't tire, they don't suffer for the kind of way. Say 3 years lesson a book, it don't turn 6 years. all the kind complaint dem so plus teacher wey dem no dey equal to pikin dem wey dey dey for inside school na the kind of thing dem that way dey vex for sake of say governor e don forget dem all time. They dey promise dem dem no dey do no nothing, so they talk say e don too much, say make minister sesep e talk something. If no be so, things dem no go happen. So as wey Professor Gapsa e be dey for Ngaundere, na so too e promise the university pikin dem say tomorrow e go better, e go talk for oga minister Professor Jacques Famendongo. As wey I talk, that medicine, veterinary medicine people dem na people dem dey fit chook injection for pussy, for dog and even cow dem when they dey sick. We go take una talk this palava too for Ngondo. Sabi say Ngondo sesep e pass for Sunday inside Douala here. Na so too plenty people dey become for can see wait wey dey pass for Ngondo for this year. Sabi say one of the strong tori dem wey e dey ever happen for that side so for Ngondo na the message sesep wey e dey comot, the strong talk wey e dey comot for inside water wey dey dey ever go find am for inside water bring am, and na for inside that small house first dey bring am. So the message wey e comot for water this year e talk na palava for peace. Na the message wey dey carry am for kangi am for big chief for Sawa people dem as wey dey be glad they are big and Gandowen and Gondo. Sabi say one of the big people dem too come dey change am wey dey give am invite inside Gondo palava. E be dey na Fon V Imukete wey e just comot for knack 100 year isesep e be dey for Douala here for see as wey dem Gondo pass. But as wey I talk, the message, the strong talk inside the basket e be dey na palava for peace. As wey dey talk say make peace e last come back for inside Cameroon. Sabi say plenty palava dey inside Cameroon just now. Kenu competition sesep e be dey, and we be get to even palava for palapala wey e be dey inside this arraignment from Gondo. Now from V Imukete say that 100 years chief for Bafo people dem wey e be dey just like other big chief dem wey dey be dey for inside Douala here. We continue for this arraignment for Sabi say for corner side na some post wey comot e fall on top some person after wey e go turn am for corner. According to tori here, na some people dem sesep for inside some other village or some television house wey e be dey show the thing live for sika plenty son wey the person wan go stand up for corner, na so too dey pull e comot e fall on top his skin. But Sabi say e no die, na only small wound wey e be get am for that side so for corner Riverwuri wey Ngando for Ngondo e be pass. We go left all that one just now. We enter for inside palava for Ndamba. Sabi say Edin Sport na dem they don't win cup for Cameroon this year. Sabi say Edin e cash Leon Blessé e knock am 1-0 and na only 1-0 wey be correct. After wey dey so cup final be don stay. Sabi say even as wey Edin win the cup, they no go for outside country for CAF competition. For Sika say they don already late, and Sabi say CAF e be don give them casting goal after wey they deny say Edin e no go. Ndamba sesep e be happen na for before Nkunkumam oga Nkunkumam wey e be dey for fee for see as wey all thing e be dey happen, and na sesep e take up e give am for captain for Edin Sports after wey they win the cup. As I talk for now, Edin e win Leon Blessé 1-0 after when Ndamba sesep e play better. Sabi say Edin e no go no place. E go take all wey they get for give am for e like money. E go sit down for prepare as we go now Ndamba next season. Na tori dem that we will get am for this afternoon. Make we quick enter for the newspaper the way they dey outside. Calling people them inside the Star newspaper wey dey for outside today. Calling people them Star e dey talk for we today say insecurity e don make am Ndamba for 2019 e no go happen again inside Cameroon. So for inside Star newspaper you go read another tori as wey dey so, and Bazonia people dem say they don't talk country Sunday e no go happen again inside the moon where we get December moon wey people dey get for enjoy. Na so to dey tell we former US big man president George Bush or H.W. Bush, he don't die for an age for 94, according to the Star newspaper, it talk. Other tori the day for inside the Star newspaper, Palava Nkunkuma, a disarmament commission to a don't move all down them, you feel read them inside the Star newspaper way it day for outside today. We enter for the Guardian Post. Guardian Post say they tell him Palava for 2019 man damba. They say waiting Cameroon it no go happen am again. But now who get the blame? Now big question that way Guardian Post it dey ask am as well they tell you to say aiding spawn. Now they say they don't win cup for Cameroon. Nkunkuma say it don't make disarmament committee. That's why Anglophone Palava it is also happen. Sabi say inside the same chapter they tell we say waiting life and death for Palava George H.W. Bush where he die. CAF says it don't make 419 for Cameroon. Now wait make and wait the newspaper it talk you fit enter for inside read am. Now so Nkunkuma says according to Eden it don't left for call people them for make talk peaceful talk. It don't instead make na disarmament commission as way Eden newspaper it talk inside the same thing they tell we say former US President George W.H. Bush he don't die for 94 years. Now so too they tell we Palava country Sunday na bye. AFCON 2019 they tell we say na big surprise wey dey give am for Cameroon as wey dey so just now Cameroon say e no go happen that competition according to wetin wey the info talk for we. So for inside the info they dey tell we after we CAF people dey give casting go for Cameroon they dey ask am na who e get hand for inside this palava. Big question wey the info newspaper e ask am today inside the same palava they dey try for talk for we as wey a former big man for America George H.W. Bush he don't die for 94 years. Other tori the day Palava disarmament committee to a Nkunkuma make am a day for inside the info wey dey for outside. The media newspaper talk for we say Palava for Christmas people there for Northwest West they go enjoy am as we country Sunday there for Monday for inside Northwest West e no go happen again. Inside the same media newspaper they talk for we as we fire am Iwaka enter for food market for Bamenda. Palava for gender equality too. Palava woman and man they talk for we say United Methodist woman them then say they don't enter for fight for say me woman they say they try for get small rights no be na only for man pikin. Post newspaper wey dey too for outside e talk for we Cameroon some Cameroon people they dey cry while we other they dey glad after we Ndamba for 2019 they comot am for Cameroon in hand. Inside the same thing aiding FCSF as wey the post talk am na then they don't win 2018 cup for Cameroon. Now so today they tell we all Anglophone General Conference or Anglophone General Conference people them the SSF they don't get another power again inside this arrangement after thing they work fine. You feel it to read them where it concerns CDC where it needs to take 25 billion for say make all thing a turn back to normal. Now the small to read and that for the Post newspaper you feel buy your own you read them. Some newspaper says it tell we say separatist people them they lock Boya Kumba Highway. Now waiting it happen plenty people them say they no fit for waka na so too moto them to the bonam. 2019 man Dambam CAF says it don't take knife e chook am for Cameroon skin. Now for sika waiting Dambam e no go happen again. Chapter for Northwest West fund so e don't be na free man just now after we amber people them they keep e according to way the Sun e talk am. Other to read the way if you read them you will enter for inside the Sun newspaper where e dey for outside for here way they get for talk for you. Another one Logidion where dey for outside they tell we Palava say waiting. They say peace if it's also turn be for inside Cameroon. Now the question that they ask am after we Kunkuma he make disarmament committee for inside we country for see as we go help stop Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Inside the same story they tell we as we Cameroon says it no go happen 2019 man Dambam after we they don't prepare them. Tori SSF ide for Palava for Campos and other small thing them for Logidion newspaper where ide for outside. Kunkuma SSF in a name ide for before the Voice newspaper where they tell we Kunkuma SSF e get BB disgrace. The one na after when Damba SSF for 2019 e no go happen again. They ask na BB question the Voice e ask am saying Gomna e fit true e comot shake a shoot for am by their hand. Now the big question that way they ask am. Now so to CDC, it talk say 12,500 people then just now they don't lose their work for Sikadi Palava where it happen for Norway and Southwest. The one it come where they tell we say country Sunday them for inside Norway and Southwest for December moon it no go day again. All the tori them plus other tori them you fit read them for inside the Voice newspaper where it dey for outside today. So now the one then that way we see am for now for this afternoon country people them we glad plenty for now na don she done for before tele for look we big thank you Marlies wey dey for one side for see as wey people dey follow we for Facebook and YouTube. Thank you to Oga Ledupone, thank you to Amos Fongom wey e be there for bag machine this afternoon. You wey never fit for see wey dey for outside country 12:30 you will get rebroadcast for this side but you fit also follow we for YouTube. Ambassador go turn back for some time when e knack 8 o'clock. Una hold am tight.